This is how they operate, you guys. You ready? Right now, this is how it operates without the hub lock. This is everything's locked, everything's moving. So now I can go to free mode. And look how much easier it is for me to spin that wheel. So I'm not getting all the drive lighting components moving, which is just awesome. What's up, you guys? Today we're working on the ROXOR. We're turning it into a street legal. The first project we're going to do is throw on some Warren locking hubs from Warren. Basically, you might ask, well, what is a locking hub and why didn't they not come with locking hubs? What locking hubs do is they basically allow you to allow the wheel to freewheel. So since you have a four-wheel drive vehicle, they're all connected to a central location, which is your transfer case, right? So even when you're not in four-wheel drive, the front wheels are still running your gear, your axles, spinning it all the way back to the transfer case because the disconnect's not happening until your transfer case. So basically, I'll give you an example. If you guys can see the drive shaft back there spinning, see how it spins when I spin the wheel? Well, if I have a locker on, this wheel will just spin and none of that gear is spinning with it. So it's going to help for two-wheel drive conditions. You know, it's easier on the vehicle, easier on the parts, and it's going to allow me to basically probably get better gas mileage also. So let's get started. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First thing you're going to do is you don't normally have to pull off a wheel unless you have like a cap style like I have, but I always advise pulling off the wheel, but on some vehicles you don't have to. So let's get started. 13/16 impact. We'll use this Ingersoll Rand tool. Alright, and there we have it. So this is what the cap we're going to want to get off. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to get in here. We're going to take this cap off. We're going to take a lock ring out. And then we're going to attach our hardware. It's that easy, you guys. So what we've done is we've pulled that clip off. We've pulled out the hub. We're not going to be reusing this because this is the piece we're replacing. I did notice it's pretty dry in here. I mean, I don't know if there's supposed to be grease, but I'm going to throw some grease in there just to help things out a little. Alright, you guys, so my recommendation is Warren locking hubs. Warren is known in the off-roading industry. It's a great brand to have. It's the quality brand to have. I wouldn't put anything else on these because you never want to get stranded out in the middle. I've never heard of Warren lockers just going crazy or breaking. And if you look at my 1986 Jeep outside, it has Warren locks also from the factory. So definitely a good upgrade to do. I haven't driven it yet. I'll be driving it pretty soon here to see the difference. But I know a lot of people on the forums are saying that you're getting better steering now with this all this linkage free running. So cool stuff, you guys. Check it out. Don't forget to go over to toolsinaction.com. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to have a great day.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.